clouds drift high, thoughts like breezes whisper by, endless waves of a calm blue sky, where dreams take wings and learn to fly. Gentle echoes of time's embrace, each shadow